Hello, today we want to teach the sticks of the stochastic indicator. Please subscribe to our channel before continuing if you are looking for new and professional training. Thank you. In the previous video, we gave the complete RSI training. You can watch it. The stochastic, like the RSI indicator, is out of range. Extreme sales and extreme buying range. We are looking for signals in these areas. This indicator consists of two lines, which gives us a signal when crossing. It consists of line K and line D. You can see that each color is different. Like the RSI indicator I taught in the previous video, you can use its signals alongside your trading strategy. When line K intersects line D and crosses this range, signal and confirmation of a good purchase is issued. You see, it can be easily used and made a profit. Let's see if it worked correctly on the price. Yes, what a beautiful and good profit. Thank you. Just like this, the opposite can be considered for the signal and sales strategy. We decided to train from amateur to professional, so be patient. You will become a big investor. Let's take another example. Just like what you learned. Now we have to see if the price has happened to her or not. You can create a successful and profitable strategy for yourself with these tools and other tools that I will teach. This signal also gave me a good profit. Please subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the newer tutorials. Good luck.